2024. Here we go.
There you go, Ron.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh, good.
Two things that I can say that about.
You don't want to give up, do you? My mama told me not to go into the shallow. Nice one. Yeah, that's a keeper. Nice one. Hell
Yeah.
no, we don't even have to measure that one.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
That looks like a keeper.
Yeah,
That's close, yeah. That's good. What's up with this Barney movies?
tell you what, that thing is just monster.
Catches some fish, I see.
It's like, there you go, that was fish, boy. Bring it home.
Makes me wonder if it's sea like that.
Oh, they double.
Yeah, double up.
That looks like a keep to me. Bring it to you, Rick. Ready?
Smoke it out, man. Yeah. Good. Well done.
I don't have this. I don't have that spoon with the glow back.
They just started making it last year because
I
you
don't-
could only get it in.
Yeah, I have this
You're-
one, but I
you're
don't have it.
Fucking behind the times.
Oh, they had the double side?
Yeah, they've now got a white glow on the back
You're
side.
behind the times.
I was
buddy.
telling Lisa, I gotta find that white glow paint in aerosol where you can just go to all
I
these
don't know if I
spoons.
can be friends with you. You don't have the right stuff.
Whoa!
Oh, that's the fucking big edge.
That's it.
Yeah. Well, there you go, right there.
Old fuck. Hey, look at that. Fucking, is that Mexican flag?
Look at that thing got mold on it.
Yeah. Yeah. So what? Don't judge me.
Yeah, put that in
Let's
the
spray some WD
glow
on it.
tube. It'll probably
Yeah, we're gonna
UV clean that thing.
You took President Lincoln fucking fishing with that thing.
You guys fuck off. It's gonna be the best thing you ever fucking seen. You're like, I wish I had one of those.